Now this is the most one of the most useful features. This image search uses Yahoo's image search. So if you type in Tom Crean, for example, which is the name of our document, it'll search Yahoo's pictures and hopefully come up with a picture of Tom Crean, like that. And all you need to do is drag that onto your page and you have your picture of Tom Crean. There's the unsung hero of the book. So back to the image search, back to the top, and we'll just drag out a few pictures to do with Tom Crean's life. So maybe Shackleton. See if we get a picture of him. We do. So we can just drag him on. We can have, what else? Antarctic explorers. Don't think they are any of the Robert Scotts that I'm looking for. So maybe if you put in his middle name. There we go. Like this one here. So there we have pictures of interest in Tom Crean's life. So we'll put in some text. So we go to the text tool and just click on the page, and I'm going to write a heading, Tom Crean. So I highlight it, and now I can make it bold, or I can make it much bigger. Too big. And I can change the color. I'm going to change it to white. Now, it's not very easy to see. Behind it, I'm going to put a little shape. So we'll make a square, a rectangle, and fill it with maybe this color. Now, as I was saying before, that shape is sitting on top of the writing that we have. That's why we can't see it now. So we use these send, bring to front, send to back buttons. So we're going to send that to the back, and there's our Tom Crean then below it. So now, if I want to move any of these pictures, I have to remember to go to the pointer tool. So here we have picture of Tom Crean, then came Scott, then came Shackleton. Now maybe we'll try and get image search at the top. We might get a picture of the Endurance. Endurance. And there's a picture of the Endurance stuck in the ice. Now you can resize these pictures if you want. If you want them all to be exactly the same size, well then you could just type in the size you want over here. We're not going to do that. Now if you wanted to put in some arrows, or maybe we'll go around in a clockwise direction. If you wanted to put in some arrows, we can go to basic shapes, and we could drag in an arrow. Now it's facing the wrong direction, so we can click on the rotate icon, turn it around the right direction, make it a bit smaller, make it smaller, we'll move it there. Now edit, you can copy that and paste it so that they're all the same size. Paste again, same as you do in Word, and then paste again. This time we're going to rotate it again, so it's facing this direction. paste it one last time. And just turn this way. Now we have just, you know, some pictures to do with Tom Green's life. Obviously this is just something that I'm putting together very quickly. Now if we wanted to put a background, we could just draw a square or a rectangle over the whole lot and fill it. So fill it with maybe that colour there. Now, as I said before, it's sitting on top of everything, so we can send it to the back, and there it sits behind. We could now the beauty about Gliffy is that you can invite collaborators to work on your document. So if I invite somebody to a collaborator here, all I need to do is type in their email address and then click OK, and then they would be able to work on the document that I'm working on, and you can learn more about that here. Now when you're finished, then you go to File and obviously Save, and that will save it into your into your document manager, and it's saved online. So every time you log on to your Gliffy account that you've created already, all your documents will be saved there. But if you want to get them out of your Gliffy account, you can just go to File and then Export, and a JPEG is a type of picture. So if I say export as JPEG on my computer, it just downloads straight to the desktop. Your computer will probably ask you where you want to save it, but here is the picture that we're just after creating, and as you can see, the pictures are now no longer online. The whole document has been compressed into one picture that sits on my desktop now, so you can be as creative with that as you like.